degree in bioinformatics, and I'm part of HackBio team. And I'm thankful to them for giving me this opportunity to talk why I love science. So why I love science, everybody loves science. That's what I'm guessing. And I've always been this child who's always been in love with nature. And I've always loved playing with the insects. I know that sounds creepy, but still, I've always been that child, and science has always fascinated me. Everything around us, it was always a mystery for me when I was younger. And when I went higher in class, I started learning what our biological system was and what and all were the processes that was taking place inside us, and that fascinated me more. And that's why I started pursuing my studies more based on science. So I pursued my undergraduate in chemistry, biotechnology and genetics. That's a triple major. So I learned a lot. It was not entirely similar and not entirely different. We studied more of biochemistry and chemistry, and genetics. Wow, that was a great subject to learn. And we had a project in undergraduate which was based on bioinformatics. So until then, bioinformatics was just a small part of our curriculum, and we didn't learn much. We didn't get to learn much. It was just introduction to bioinformatics kind. And after the project, I was more interested in bioinformatics than I've been. I think it's just my intention to learn more, to gain more knowledge. That's why I think I chose a degree with 3 majors, and then I took up my masters in bioinformatics. Everybody told me it was a cross major and there wasn't much scope. There is scope, but people, they always encouraged me to take up genetics or biotechnology, but then I had this gut instinct inside me to take up bioinformatics. I thought I would be great in bioinformatics, or I thought. So I think bioinformatics has taught me a lot. Ever since I started my master degree, I have learned so much. More than anything, the 3 years has taught me in my degree. I thought degree was something I learned more knowledge, and then my masters has proved me wrong. There's so much to learn, and I'm learning more, and that's a good thing, I think. Gender doesn't matter in science. It matters, but not in a way that why do we need more of them, and it really matters based on your knowledge and your interest. If you're interested in science, you take up science. That doesn't really matter which gender you are. And my passion for science has driven me here today to this internship, to do something, to learn something, and to get to know some people. So I think gender doesn't really matter in that case. If you're interested, you're going to pursue it. And why I think we need more women is because I would like to first tell you that people nowadays in companies or institutes, they prefer men, or that is what I have seen here in India. And what exactly I want to convey is that when they are interviewing you, they always look for your knowledge. Yes, they are not going to deny you what you have learned and what is your knowledge and what you're capable of, but they've always denied some things based on how long can you work. Can you work in the night? So can you come home in the midnight, and is that fine with you or your family? So here the family restrictions matter. People just don't go and work in the night. When I mean women. If your actions inspire others to do more, to dream more, and to become more, you are a leader. But I always thought I was a follower, but HackBio has given me this wonderful opportunity to discover a leader in me, to make me learn more of what I am. Thank you, science, and thank you, HackBio, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to share my thoughts. Thank you.